Hi, thanks very much for joining us for Greensboro Glimpses. You're going to want to stay tuned to this program because we have a fascinating story to tell you that you're not going to want to miss. My guest is Patty Jo Sawvel.
I was kind of, feeling kind of bad. 5 minutes into my little self-pity talk, a second police car pulls up. And I thought, oh, that's not fair. These guys are ganging up on me. 5 minutes later, a third police car pulls up. Never had this happen in my life. Now I'm thinking, can you go to jail for going 90 miles an hour? Can you lose your driver's license for going 90 miles an hour? Now I'm panicking. 20 minutes go by. I'm just soaking in my own sweat, becoming late for my appointments meantime, but now I've got a crisis I need to solve. Police officer, finally the other two cars leave, the police officer comes back up. And he leans down and he looks inside of my car and he says, "Ma'am, do you have kids?" I said, "Yeah, I have 3 kids, Rebecca, Joe, and Cliff." He says, "Do you love your children? Do you want to come home for them every night?" I felt sorry, not because I was about ready to get a ticket, but because I almost hurt my children and this innocent officer. And at that moment, when I realized that he saw me as a person, he cared about me as a person, something changed. 2 things happened. Number 1, I vowed to stop speeding that day. And even though occasionally I have, very, very rarely, usually when I don't set my cruise control, because I know now, use your cruise control, but I vowed to stop speeding, but here's what else happened. I rewrote my script instantly. I went from police are out to get you, police are just trying to fill their ticket quota, police are to be avoided, to police care about me, police care about safety, I care about police.
Well, this was definitely the best presentation that I have been in, and if I can think about what made it so great, it was Patty Jo's personal stories about how she grew up and how she made transitions and how she corrected things in life, and then her way of presenting with the visual things that she brings. But the way that she gives control of everybody's attention was just amazing.